Your truck needs to be out servicing your customers every day. For Mack trucks equipped with MP7 and MP8 engines, we have identified an issue with the tube that connects the EGR cooler to the engine. The OEM's plastic design is prone to cracks or breaks, causing a loss of engine coolant. The EGR cooler tube requires several hours and disassembly of several components from the side of the engine to replace it. The Wheeler Fleet Solution component is much more robust than its design to reduce maintenance and improve vehicle uptime. It is machined aluminum construction that eliminates the cracking and deforming issues of the plastic part. It features an anodized coating for increased corrosion resistance, and sealing rings are included. Our goal is to save you future downtime and expense. Our Wheeler Fleet Solutions EGR cooler tube makes this a permanent fix instead of replacing an OEM part that fails with the same part that has already left you down once. Wheeler Fleet Solutions strives to identify problem parts and provide engineering designs to keep your fleet running, and that's uptime delivered. To learn more about our products and other services, please visit wheelerfleet.com.